Hello there, second graders. Welcome to day one of coding. Today, we are going to start with coding the harvester. Before we get there, I just want to go over the first day screen here. So, second graders, this is for Monday. There's a note to your parents. Please call your parents in and make sure they read this note. It's just a little bit of information about how things are going to work this week, okay? If you did not do the coding activities from week 5, I highly suggest you do those first, okay? Because they'll get you ready for the ones that are going to occur this week. Okay, if you did them, great. You can click down here where it says click here to progress to the next slide. And there's a video here about pair programming. The video is for you and your parents. If you feel like you want to program with a partner, either a brother, sister, or one of your parents, you guys could sit and watch this video so you can see how pair programming works. And kiddos, I know most of you have already done pair programming in school, so the video is probably more for whoever you're going to work with, so they know how it works. I highly suggest you do it. It's fun to program with somebody else. And after you watch that video, you can click right here where it says second graders, click here. And it'll take you to the coding or the next slide with your activity. Now, the video I'm making right now will be right here. I want you to watch this video in its entirety before you start, okay? Now, today, you're going to finish all of the lesson 7 activities. That's activities 1 all the way through 13. So you're going to do all of them. So after you're done watching my video, you can click here, and it'll take you to the activity. It'll open up a new tab at the top, and we'll get there. Just give this a moment to load up. Okay. So you are going to help the harvester pick all the corn. So you're going to code the harvester over here to move to the corn and get it. And you have to pay attention to these numbers here because that tells you how many blocks you have to use here, okay? So I challenge you to use throughout all of these the repeat block, okay? So I'm just going to show you quickly with this one how to do this. So the harvester has to move to the right, which is this arrow, which is the east block. So if I run that, the harvester moves one step to the east. Now, when the harvester gets there, it's not just going to pick the corn. I have to tell her to pick the corn. Oop, doesn't want to cooperate. So I'll click reset, run. Okay, you can see it worked for the first one, but I have to do it again and again. So I can bring more blocks out, another step east, pick corn, another step east, and pick corn again. Now, although that works, I'm going to click replay. I'm going to try to use this repeat block. And the way I want you to do this is read the code out loud and try to listen for patterns. East, pick corn. East, pick corn. East, pick corn. Hopefully you hear the sequence. So let's see. East, pick corn. East, pick corn. East, pick corn. You can see the harvester is doing the same thing 3 times. So rather than drag all those blocks out, I can just put them inside the repeat loop. Tell the harvester to do east, pick corn 3 times, and I can get rid of all those others. Click reset. I'll click run. And there we go. So that's what I challenge you to do throughout these. Try to use that repeat block. Looping is something that coders do all the time, okay? Now you can see you're going to finish all 13 activities. You can see there's one symbol here. It looks a little different. Picture of a rhombus. That's a video. So you really have 12 coding activities and 1 video to watch, okay? Enjoy. Hope you have some fun coding the harvester, and I will see you in a video activity tomorrow.